Hello to my Panther family. What a year this has been. Who would have thought the year 2020 would be a year we see life from a different perspective? This year of pandemic took us all by surprise. Unfortunately, not a good surprise. However, Team Carver is a team that doesn't back down from adversities. Instead, we thrive in the face of failure and setbacks. One day soon, we'll all look back and see the areas we grew spiritually and some of us physically. However, we believe in you and know that we are here for you in any aspect you need our support. We pray our efforts in our first virtual open house project meet your approval. Our staff has put lots of effort and love in our presentation. Please take full advantage of what we have provided for you. Welcome to Carver Fall Family and Community Outreach event. This year, our open house will look and feel different. However, we hope you will find what we have available useful. The platform will be available both live and pre recorded. Live sessions will be available in the AM and PM. The first live AM session, the first live session will be in the evening, Tuesday, December 8th, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. The morning session will be available Tuesday, December 15th from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. On the Carver homepage, you will have access to an interactive open house notebook. There you will find information about our campus administrators, leadership, counselors, and teachers. I hope you find the interactive notebook to be user friendly. However, if you need our assistance, please let us know. In closing, I wish everyone happy holidays. My prayer for you is to end this year with bountiful blessings. Take care, and we see you next year. We look forward to a great end to this story. God bless.